the thing is, Anirban, Sumit Saurav के साथ no one thought that he will win, he won. Biswa Kalyan Rath के साथ no one thought he will win, he won. Now Samay Raina के साथ no one is thinking he will win.
And he will win. यही कहना चाहते हो ना सागर भाई आप? मैं जानता हूँ आपको. Welcome दोस्तों to the grand finale with me and my Pathan suit. We are in the finals. Oh man.
I can't believe this.
अनिर्बान टेंशन है क्या ये फाइनल्स का, या ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऑलरेडी जो करना था वो कर चुका हूँ, अभी कुछ टेंशन नहीं?
No, I feel I have very little to lose now.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, ये फीलिंग बहुत ही डेंजरस है.
हो गया सब फटाफट.
अरे थैंक यू मम्मी मेरे को मम्मी भी मेरा गेम देख रही थी. मम्मी ने मेरे को चॉकलेट दी है फॉर द विक्ट्री.
अरे क्या बात.
मम्मी ओपी. Having said that, I think what makes this so insane, like I'm talking to some friends of mine on the side who are all like 25,000 people are watching comedians play some top quality chess. So what's happening is historic, right? तो एक बार historic OP हो जाए भाई.
Historic OP, creating history.
वाह. और मैं as usual क्या बोला मेरे को कुछ नहीं समझा.
समय सिलेक्ट कर.
Okay.
समय लेफ्ट या राइट?
सागर भाई लेफ्ट.
कोई बोला नहीं, समझ में नहीं आया, वापस बताओ.
I am black.
ब्लैक मिला समय को, व्हाइट इज अनिर्बान.
All the best. No matter what, I love you. And this is for chess.
You too, man.
Pressure is as high as it can be.
Anirban only love you.
ठीक है.
Have fun.
3, 2, 1. I am going.
Okay.
All the best, guys. All the best.
All the best, guys. Samay जीतेगा. I think Samay is very strong. He's been practicing very actively, and also I think Samay is at his peak and he's practicing, so it's a very good combination.
I think Anirban should play E4, pawn को push करके center control लेना चाहिए. He should not take on C6, but I think usually Anirban को pawn दिखता है तो वो मार देता है.
I have a feeling he doesn't know what to do with that pawn, so also that might be the reason why he might take it. Oh, he
Nice.
Oh, E4, good move Anirban.
ये कुछ प्रिपरेशन है गाइस, मैं बता रहा. राहुल तेरा क्या प्रेडिक्शन है?
हाँ, समय जीतेगा.
Oh, E5. Very interesting move. मतलब कोई भी सोचता था pawn से pawn मारेंगे, but ये E5 मूव करके. But it's a good move actually.
ये कुछ प्रिपरेशन है, मैं बता रहा है.
यार अनिर्बान को एक चीज है, अनिर्बान doesn't feel like he's in pressure ever when he's in a losing position, so that's an advantage.
Yeah, I've played 4-player chess with him.
That is because Anirban never knows if he's winning. Sorry.
नहीं बोलो.
नहीं बोल दो.
Your comment would be anyway more interesting than what I would say, so you should say.
No, but please say. Your guess or am I guess? I don't know. चलो समय इतना टाइम क्या ले रहा है?
नहीं, समय is thinking knight कहाँ पे मूव करने का, but I think knight E4 is the logical move. Yeah, he played it. Actually, Anirban is thinking कि D5 का pawn जो है वो queen से मारूं या knight से मारूं. So if it hits with the queen, तो knight takes knight मार के white का structure खराब होगा. So he took with the knight, but now black has a good move here. Yeah, queen A5 check, very good. Oh, it's a blunder. Now B4. Oh, I thought queen A5 was strong. No, B4 move is coming now. Anirban should find B4, I think.
Oh, such an unorthodox move.
C3 was not good. Like if he would have played B4, queen had to move. B4. And now queen D8. I think Anirban is playing so well. It's so surprising. Like.
Wow. That's where you want to end it. It's
मुझे एक चीज लगता है, like all of you are somehow like ऐसे big match players, yeah, like आप लोग सब when the occasion comes you all rise towards it.
Yeah, the thing is कि we don't reach the big match, उसके पहले हार जाते हैं.
समय क्या सोच रहा है एक्चुअली? समय एक ही मूव है क्वीन D8 पे जाने का, क्योंकि if he moves his queen anywhere else, knight will jump to C7 and pick up the rook on A8. So queen has only one.
No, but Samay can't go anywhere else also, right? He has to go to D8.
that's the only move. I don't know what he's
Yeah.
thinking.
I think he's going to end up blundering his queen. Oh wow! But yeah.
But I think he's nervous. He's nervous for sure. Main problem क्या है पता है ये position में? White has overextended himself. Like he has pushed his pawns b4, c3, e5, f4, and some holes create हो गए. So in a way, slowly if what is this free piece? Free piece.
I think he
Just
blundered.
just take. Oh, Samay is now going to win
Blunder,
this.
blunder.
Yeah, I think he's blundered.
Yeah, I think now it's too easy.
No, but the point is after queen into d5, okay, he is winning another pawn. Abhi c3 का pawn भी मर रहा है. Knight into c3. Now the thing is, this knight is attacking the queen, so queen has to move somewhere. If the queen goes to c4, तो knight a4 से jump मार के निकल जाएगा. If the queen goes to b3, तो knight e4 से jump मार के. So knight is just like very slippery. It cannot be trapped यहाँ पे. So I think full piece up for Samay.
Guys, 1.5 minute बचा है, 1.5 minute. So that's also nice.
But Samay under time pressure is really good. He doesn't crumble.
Why did he push that pawn?
Actually, Anirban is making it full crazy. मतलब कुछ तो
Oh my god.
Wow!
Oh my god. ये क्या किया इसने?
ये
मतलब
कर रहा
पूरा कंफ्यूज कर दिया है. Like this is oh look at this. E into f6. E into f6 खेला है. Oh no.
है.
You know if he would have taken with the e pawn, I think what he was afraid was queen into h2 पर फिर उसको सिर्फ king f2 आ जाता था बाहर. Knight into g6.
Check.
Mate हो रहा है. अरे mate हो रहा है. Oh mate हो रहा है. King d8 bg5.
Oh, bishop.
बिशप से मारता था. It was finished.
I think knight e7.
Now Samay is under control. 44 seconds. Samay is only 44.
पर ये क्यों?
Now everything is safe for Samay, but time is a big problem. Anirban is the ultimate, मतलब ऐसे practical player जो बोलते हैं ना, वो उसका खिताब उसको. Bishop into e7. No, queen in. क्या हो रहा है?
भाई
Queen into e7. नहीं, knight मारो.
क्या कर रहे?
अरे नाइट मारना चाहिए था.
Knight मार के king c8, queen e8 mate था.
20 seconds.
Anirban know what a checkmate is. Because मेरे को लगता है उसको सच्ची में नहीं मालूम. Anirban is winning this, dude.
Anirban will win this.
Oh my god.
Anirban is winning.
It's time to JNK.
Oh, Anirban.
JNK.
Take.
Oh my god.
Take.
Oh, check.
Nice move.
3.
What?
B5. He will play
Second.
B5 check.
Oh my god. दोनों प्री मूव्स कर रहे हैं.
Pawn push कर. जीत गया.
Wow.
Anirban.
ओए जीत गया नहीं.
God, Anirban, dude.
Oh, queen.
Oh man. I can't believe. Whoa. Anirban OP.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Anirban, तुम्हारा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सोच समझ के बोलना, because generations will remember what you will say now.
I just want to like my wife has been telling me कि तू क्या चेस खेलते रहता है पूरा दिन लास्ट में. Thanks Samay, thank you so much.
Anirban, congratulations, bro. What a Jammu Kashmir gambit.
ये नहीं सिखाता है हमको सागर शाह. ये नहीं सिखाता है how to confuse opponent with chaos. भाई Anirban, तू जॉन स्नो है. You know nothing.
I
तू
know.
मार के वापस आ. तू इतना जॉन स्नो है, मैं बता रहा, एक बार चेक कर ले कि तेरा पापा मम्मी ओरिजिनली कौन है.
अरे भाई मजा आ गया भाई, जो J&K गैम्बिट से आ रहा हूँ मैं. I respect. Anirban, congratulations. You have won a grand prize of 50,000 rupees,
Holy
भाई.
shit.
50,000 rupees is like Anirban का 2 दिन का छुट्टी का.
So someone is here to congratulate Anirban Dasgupta for winning this
Oh
tournament.
man, Akash.
Congrats, Anirban.
Thank you so much, Akash.
अरे
Oh, man, I am sorry. I was supposed to call you yesterday. I forgot.
I was calling you to give you best of luck and all, but clearly it was not needed.
Oh, it was very needed. You have no idea.
दोस्तों
कल सुबह 8 बजे अनिर्बान is taking chess classes, guys.
and congratulations Anirban Dasgupta for the 50,000 rupees cash prize you have won, and everyone who came to this tournament. Thank you so much, Joel D'Souza and Rahul Subramaniam,
Thank you
Sagar
so much,
Shah,
Samay.
very important person
Samay
who's here.
over there.
Vidit Gujarat.
Also,
Thank you,
congrats,
Samay.
Samay.
Thank you, Samay.
अरे नहीं
Samay,
जनता
Samay,
होगी.
Samay,
अरे
Samay.
bye bye, good night.
And the winner is Anirban Dasgupta. Congratulations.
ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.